how he responded to this therapy was, amazing.
That was pretty fun.
I mean, he even urinated, he pooped, I don't know, like 7 or 8 times.
Yeah, they do more.
And I said,
Well,
Kat, I said,
but parasympathetic nervous
getting
system
rid
turns
of-
on
and
digestion.
he, I mean, he wasn't nervous, he
Turns
wasn't
on-
standing there like, it wasn't a nervous poop.
So
No,
I
but
have
that's a positive
Friend who
thing.
their whole family uses the therapy, and they did say for the first few days, they're like, yo, be quiet. And I was like, you know what, I actually think you're getting rid of toxins.
Yeah.
And she said, you know, we've all been saying the exact same thing. But she has a son who's got learning disabilities, so she goes, that was a pain in the neck at first, but now they think it's been really helpful for them.
So there's
He even urinated too, remember
Yeah, and-
that day at
yeah.
the Southern Valley?
And it's not uncommon to see them.
No, I mean, he was, and then and I remember Tad had to learn from the cross ties, because he kept dropping his head lower and lower to the ground, it was really neat, it was really.
Yeah, well, this horse, it seems like his natural inclination is to be part giraffe.
Yeah,
So
every
to
time
see
he,
him kinda-
anytime he anticipated his head goes.
So this is how I have my saddle grounded. It's a copper strap that goes right through the gullet channel, and that seems to be much more effective way of grounding than by putting it on a copper mat. So this is the
Oh,
saddle
wow.
seem to want to be grounded in the center as opposed to on the sides. We don't fully understand
That must be the same as the bracelet thing.
if this is an energy system, which it is.
Sure it is.
Having it grounded on either side of dorsal ventral line is
Equally,
really
yeah.
the best way to do it. When was the last time he was ridden, Holly?
Oh, probably about, realistically, about 2 months ago, maybe what was it? Maybe sometime in September.
Oh, wow. That's a lot.
You got those cookies?
Crazy good.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's like butter, literally.
Yeah.
I love butter.
Yeah, I love
You
butter.
can tell.
I love butter too. Buttery bread and wine. Life is good.
He's not grumpy. And I don't know that that horse is grumpy, but he certainly is less grumpy than most horses you take up. He's not grumpy.
So I think that what we're trying to do is in every experience that the horse is having with us to bring him a sense of goodness, right? A goodness.
Yeah.
And I think that if you do that, then you're fundamentally changing the partnership, because you're not having the horse to just tolerate, you're actually enlisting the horse's cooperation in a different way. And you can see that, through the whole process of tacking out, his head's come down, he's quieter, he's just.
And he actually started yawning.
Everything about him is
Better.
just improving in its demeanor. Take out.
Everybody needs to go have a couple of those muffins in them.
So.
Put your
Yes, please. And Holly, is that mounting block out there that I can?
The same crummy one. Yes, but I can
Well,
bring, I can
remember we
bring,
took a trunk out there or something that I?
it's right there, but I can bring a couple bales of straw.
I'd rather take that.
All right.
Is that the trunk I used last time?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'd rather use that.
We have someone that's gonna